Hey guys, I'm Shawn in the studio today in Waco, Texas. Today I'm going to teach you how to play another Elton John song, Country Comfort. Let's take a listen to the intro. All right, guys, welcome to our online piano community at webpianoteacher.com, where we gather together to learn, play, and share the music that we love, creating a culture of encouragement for all you guys out there who are trying to play piano online. You can do it if you pick the right lessons and you know how to practice. That's what I'm here for. And how can you go wrong with picking Elton John? Just love his music, don't you? All right, so as we get into this part one lesson, this is the part one. All the lessons are on my website for members, along with many other. I probably got over 50 Elton John songs now. I'm just guessing. So plenty of Elton John for you to learn. This you can add this to your collection. If you are a member of the website, you can download the sheets for this, which is very helpful because I'm not only going to show you what Elton does in this lesson series, but we're going to look at some Elton style fills that can also go in there as well. So something to kind of add to it that Elton might do in a live performance, something like that. So we're going to do that as well. You can see a little bit of that in the red writing there. All right, so let's get to it. As we get to the board, you can see we are on a Kauai MP11 SE and just using the concert grand sound, which I love very much. Play it all day. All right, so we're in the key of A. We just kind of stick with an A chord as our bass, kind of move around a little bit for this intro. And looking at the left hand, we have A and E, just an open fifth. The right hand has A, C sharp, E, A with 1, 2, 3, 5 on the right hand. Then your thumb, play again. And then A, E, A again there. But just the A, E, A, not the C sharp in the middle. Sometimes we want that open sound with the octave in the fifth. Very different than playing the chord, right? It just has an openness to it. So the rhythm is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. I always put a little bit of a hooked curved line there to remind me that it's syncopated. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Which just means the rhythm is, you have accents on offbeats is all that syncopation means. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Moving to the next measure, we have A, D, A. There, and left hand is A, F sharp. Now, even though the A is still on the bass, we have changed chords to a D chord because the formula is D, F sharp, A, and that's a D chord, even if there's an A on the bottom. All right, so A, F sharp on the left, A, D, A, D, A, and Elton does that a lot, where he'll start with a chord and then just do the 4, 6, 4 here. Just change the chord with keeping the bass the same note. A, D, A, then A, E, A. So as you move that D up to an E, move this tenor note up from an F sharp to a G. You get that sound. And then back down to where we came from, A, D, A, left hand A, F sharp. Then one more A on the thumb for good measure there. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Good. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. And he doesn't use a lot of pedal on this. It's kind of dry. So I want to copy him there and play it dry ourselves. So if we tie the two measures together now, okay, we learned the first measure, we learned the second one. Now let's tie it together and go 1, 2. Okay, so real quickly we want to touch on, we talk about picking the right lessons and then how to practice. Well, Elton John is great to pick. The only reason not to pick an Elton John song is if you're not on this level yet. And I keep telling beginners, and even early intermediate players, if you are trying things that are out of your league, then you're setting yourself up for frustration and failure, not because you're not any good, but because you haven't done all the stuff that you need to do first before you try something like this, okay? So make sure you do there's lots of great songs that are simpler songs that you can enjoy working your way up to something that's on this level. All right, so and picking the right lesson. So maybe you're here and you have picked the right lesson. This is on your level. This is something you can try for. But how to practice? How do we practice it? I got to remind you as well. Don't try to learn the whole song at once. Learn just one measure. Maybe you'll do only one measure for that day, but at least it's a success. Okay, and then maybe the next day you learn another measure, then you time together, then you can play two measures. Because the idea is if you can do that for two measures, you can do it for the whole song if you have given enough time, right? And it's okay to take a long time to learn a song. Who cares if it takes a couple of months? That's how most people have to do it anyway. So, all right, so back to the board. Just wanted to remind you guys of that, because we need to learn again the things we already know all the time. And you know that you have to practice, in a fashion that sets you up for success, not biting off more than you can chew. But we have to continually remind ourselves of that. All right, so the first two measures, bum, 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 bum. All right, so the next two measures are very similar to the first two. We go back to the A chord, A, C sharp, E, A, left hand, E, A, E, 1, 2, and. What's the difference if we compare them? On the second one, instead of just having the A, he plays a whole octave in a fifth. And then that's the same. And then the end is the same with the single A. So the only difference is on that second A there, he plays the whole octave in fifth. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and. The rhythm is same. So looking at the next measure, this measure is actually easier than this one. We're on A, D, A, 1, 2, 3, and the fourth time, we play it again and then do an E on our third finger, back to the A on the thumb. Left hand is on A and F sharp. Okay? Hear the space I'm putting in there? Listen to the recording, the track of Elton playing it. He plays it kind of dry. When I say dry, I mean not much pedal. Okay? Back to the beginning and go. 1, 2. Okay. Very good song. That's where the singing comes in, as I always say, right there. So a lot of fun on this part one. And guys, join us on the website, webpianoteacher.com. You can learn the rest of it. There are hundreds, thousands of people already on there right now learning this. So join them and let's learn together. Hope you had a great time. Talk to you later.